Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the panel and controller match. This eliminates compatibility problems later. Once done, unbox the LCD and controller, lay parts on an anti-static mat, and organize screws into labeled bins so you don't lose time. Then mount the controller to the panel test headers, connect the LVDS ribbon and power leads, and power the controller briefly to verify the panel displays a signal before proceeding to full assembly. You now focus on controller programming and wiring because correct timing is essential for a stable image. First, load or adjust the controller firmware and edit values to match the panel's native resolution and refresh rate. This prevents scaling artifacts. Next, set the PSU output to the controller's required voltage and verify current capacity to avoid brownouts. Finally, wire HDMI or display port inputs, test each input, and iterate edit tweaks until color, scaling, and refresh are correct. You finish by fastening the bezel and mounting hardware while leaving access to the controller for adjustments. Ensure cooling paths are clear so heat won't degrade components. Once assembled, run a 2-4-hour burn-in using mixed content to reveal backlight or driver issues and make final color and brightness tweaks. If the screen fails to display, methodically check LVDS ribbon orientation, confirm 5V/12V rails are present at the board, and swap cables or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.